How to edit a post on LinkedIn? Well, this is very easy thing to do. As you can see, you can also follow the instruction over your phone. You have to just log in into your LinkedIn. On the top left side corner over your phone, you will see a profile. On a laptop or PC, as you can see here, you will able to find this your profile. So this is my profile and I want to edit my post. I will scroll a little bit down and I will just go to the post section, and for example, let me show you. I'll just go to my older post, right? If I just click on view more, I will get a lot of options, right? For example, let's take here, right? I just want to edit this one. So on the top right, I will see this option which is called three dots, and here once I click on the three dots, I will get this option of edit post. Now here I can just edit it out. I can just delete it everything. I can just erase, and once I click on save, then it's done, right? So this is how you can edit a post over LinkedIn. And if you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe.